Good morning, boys and girls. Mrs. Cahill and baby Evelyn here this morning on this beautiful Tuesday. Hope you guys have had a good week so far. Let's get started with our number corner for today. All right, so today is Tuesday, May 5th, 2020. Let's see what it is. We have another yellow card. Let's hop over to our May hidden picture grid. So here is our picture grid for May, and I have my three colors, and our calendar marker for today was yellow, and it said to hop 2 from 53. Oh, did it say 2 or 3? Oh, we need to go back and check. 3. Okay. Bless you, baby. Bless you. Oh, goodness. Bless you. Okay, so we're going to go 3 to the right from 53. 1, 2, 3. 56. Perfect. We ended on number 56. Let's log that. So today is May 5th. We started on 53. We went 3 to the right. Yes, we did. 1, 2, 3. And our equation would be 53 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which equals, what number did we land on? 56. And we ended on 56. Yesterday we had 154 days in school. Let's see what we have today if we add one more. Let's count from 100. 100 by tens, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, stop, 151, 152, 153, 154, 155. Very good. Are you dropping your toys, you silly goose? Yes, what is this one? 155 days. Written form, 155 days. How many hundreds, how many tens, and how many ones? Okay, so how many hundreds are there? 100. How many tens are there? 5. And how many ones are there? 5. Now we write our expanded form. Remember, when we write our expanded form, we use our hundreds, tens, and ones and our total days to help us. So expanded form, we have 100. You cannot scoot down, little missy. I'm sorry. Plus how many tens? There's 5 tens. Let's see what that equals. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Plus how many ones? 5. Good. And that equals 155. Remember, we are still doing our quarters. We've collected 2 quarters so far. Do you want to sit on the ground? Are you good? Okay. Like I said, we have 2 quarters so far, which equals 50 cents, because a quarter equals 25. So let's do our quarter poem. Quarter. Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I am told. And just like we know right here, there are 4 quarters in a dollar. So let's add another quarter to our week 1. Now, how much money do we have? Now, remember how to count by 25. Here, sweetie. one to play with her toys. So let's count by 25. We have 25, 50, 75. Let's write that. 25. Oopsies. Oh. 50, 75. Oopsies. And then we have, oh, come on, screen's being silly. $1 or 100, but we're gonna just call it $1. Make it red. So there we go, 25, 50, 75, $1. We'll make it correct. There we go. I actually like it as 100 better. Okay, I shouldn't be that picky. So just like we said, it is 75 cents so far, so we do not have $1 yet. All right, so we're going to keep collecting as our week goes. So here's our at-home learning schedule for today, Tuesday. You have the Scholastic Learn at Home activity. I don't believe there's a week 5 yet. I haven't seen it on there, so it's still week 4. So just click a different one that you have read, that you can read. For writing today, watch lesson 5. Actually, it says lesson 5, although it's going to be working on writing, because we are going to save those lessons for next week. I realized I was a little ahead, so I wanted to slow down a little bit and let us just work on our writing. Page 9 and 10 of our packet. Watch Number Corner like you are doing right now. And the optional activities for art, music, and PE. So, another thing that I wanted to mention was that there is no class Google Meet this week. I am meeting with individual friends. I've met with 3 friends so far, and it's so nice to see you and listen to you read, and I can't wait to listen to those read today. So next week we will have a Google Meet together, I hope. We'll see how it works out. I will send out to see which day works best. We might just stick to Wednesdays because that seems to work well. So let's have a wonderful Tuesday, and I will see you guys when I read with you individually. Make sure you have a book ready to share with me. All of you guys are doing wonderful. So proud of all of you. Bye, guys.